another big breaking update coming in from Maharashtra. Three of Bollywood's biggest names, Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn and Shroff, have been issued a show cause notice by Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration over the appearance in Vimal Elaichi ad. The FDA suspects that ad could amount to indirect or surrogate promotion of Vimal Pan Masala, a product category currently banned in Maharashtra. The agency has raised question over the use of Vimal brand name, the dialogues and overall presentation of the ad, and has asked all the three actors to explain their role and why action should not be taken against them. The actors have been asked for their explanations as soon as possible. So that is a big breaking update coming in from Maharashtra, where three of the Bollywood's biggest names, Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn and Shroff, have been issued a show cause notices by Maharashtra Foods and Drug Administration over their appearance in a very famous Vimal Elaichi ad. The FDA suspects that this ad could amount to indirect or surrogate promotion of the Vimal Pan Masala. Paras is joining us live on the broadcast with more details. Good morning, Paras. Three of the Bollywood's biggest names, Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn, Shroff, they have been issued a show cause notice. Tell us more about this notice and what the Maharashtra FDA has said about this. All right, we'll try and reconnect that line with Paras, but this is a big breaking update that we're learning from Maharashtra, where Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn and Shroff have been issued a show cause notice by Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration over their appearance in Vimal Elaichi ad. In fact, a response has been sought from Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn and Shroff on this. Paras continues to be live with us. Paras, give us more details about this show cause notice that has been given to three of the biggest names there in Bollywood and the answer that has been demanded from them.
Rightly said, this is a big development. FDA issued notice to Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn and Shroff. Maharashtra Food and Drug Department Administration has issued show cause notice to actors Shah Rukh Khan, Ajay Devgn, Shroff over the Vimal Elaichi advertisement. We can see the advertisement running all over the advertisement. The FDA suspects that the advertisement could be an indirect or surrogate promotions of the brand Vimal Pan Masala. The three actors have been asked to explain their role in the advertisement and why action should not be taken against them. According to the FDA, the brand name, dialogues and the way the advertisement is presented could give the impression that Vimal is linked to Pan Masala. The FDA has also pointed out that under an order issued on July 13, 2026, Maharashtra has imposed one-year ban on manufacturing, storage, transportation, distribution and sale of products such as Pan Masala. So now the FDA has invoked Section 24 and 53 of Food Safety and Standard Act, and now the actors now being asked to submit their explanation to the FDA as soon as possible.
All right, thanks so much, Paras, for getting us all those details. It remains to be seen what the three actors have to say about the notice that has been given to them. And now moving on and shifting our focus to Karnataka, the Food Safety Department has intensified inspection and raids across food establishments there in the state. We are learning that health officials have raided a KFC outlet in Bengaluru following the discovery of rotten chicken meat, reportedly 9 months old. The officials have sealed the outlet and taken action over the discovery of the expired meat. Authorities are expected to probe how the meat was stored and why it remained at the outlet as well. So that is the latest we're learning as far as the inspection there in Karnataka is concerned. Akshara continues to be live with us. Akshara, good morning. Could you tell us about the inspections and raids that continue in Karnataka? We've been seeing several raids at the famous hotels, restaurants, KFC as well now, and also Vikasa Soda in the last few days.
Well, it all started with the 3-star and the 5-star hotels in Bengaluru. Now, remember, the inspection started here. After that, many expired items and fungus growth on certain meat and food articles were found in the 3-star and the 5-star hotels. After that, the inspection continued on the government canteens and also canteens in Vida Arogya Sauda, which falls under the health department itself. And after that, the Indira canteens also. So, various raids are being conducted by the health department on various, canteens, hotels, outlets. And one such raid was conducted in Mangaluru yesterday. a KFC outlet. Now, this particular raid was based on a complaint that was given by one of the public. The public had raised the complaint that the food was not hygienic, and following which they raided this particular KFC outlet, and they had found expired meat there as well. So that particular outlet has been seized. Also in the Mysuru district as well, on almost around 3 hotels have been raided by the health inspectors and food department officials, and following which there also 3 notices have been served, including the Rio Meridian Hotel, which was one of the high-end hotels in Mysuru. So the inspections are intensifying. First it started in Bengaluru city, now across the various districts of Karnataka, wherever there are finding complaints from the public regarding the hygienic issues, the health inspectors and the officials under the food department and the safety wing as well, they are conducting raids across the Karnataka. So it needs to be seen what necessary action will be taken. Already the Karnataka Health Minister has also stated that and given a call that hygienic conditions must be maintained in hotels.
All right, thanks so much, Akshara, for getting us all those details. Stay on with us. In fact, let's get our viewers more details about what happened in Mysuru, because after inspections at Vikasasoda canteen in Bengaluru, health officials have stepped up the inspection across Mysuru city and district. With expired chicken found at a hotel in the city, during the checks, 9 kilograms of chicken was seized from Rio Meridian Hotel over an expiry date violation. 4 other hotels were also inspected, with 68 kgs of meat seized at Grand Mercure Hotel, with 4 kilos of mushroom were taken away from a 5-star hotel there in Mysore. Authorities have taken action over the food safety violation as well. So that is the latest as far as famous and well-known hotels there in Mysuru is concerned. Going back to Akshara on this, Akshara, take us through what happened as far as the inspections and raids in Mysuru are concerned, and most importantly, what actions have been taken against these restaurants and hotels.
Well, you see, the health department is acting based on the public complaints. Wherever there are certain complaints of unhygienic conditions being practiced in certain hotels, the health officials are conducting raids, and 3 such similar hotels are said to be, raided by the health department officials, following which the expired meat and expired food articles and unhygienic conditions were found in the Mysuru district as well. And one of the high-end hotels, the Rio Meridian hotels, was also raided, and the health officials have given notice to these 3 hotels, which includes the one of the high-end hotel, which I mentioned, and at the very same time they are also collecting samples from various hotels as well, so try to ensure that if the collected food articles are in good hygienic conditions, whether they have been stored from the despite the fact that they have been expired. So all these aspects and parameters are kept into consideration, and raids are continuing. They're also checking whether the hotel staff and all the other staff are maintaining hygienic practices. So this
absolutely,
is the,
and with more inspections and raids expected in the coming days, authorities say that checks on food safety violations will continue across Karnataka. Thanks so much, Akshara, for getting us all those details. With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.
24 years ago, I had a premature baby in this very hospital, and I owe my son's life to this. So for me, this is a very emotional moment to sit across you.
This is what makes me work harder. This is what makes the entire 125,000 of poor family members. They see this and they can do better, and they do more. The compassion they give to the patient, saying, what will I do if my own sister or mother comes? But I owe everything, my gratitude for this 100,000 plus poor family members.
Top of the world with Times Network. And you're watching Times Now.